Hello, my true fans. Come here again, a coach, author, motivational, and inspirational speaker. Today, day number 58 is how do you make progress? See, progress is one of the hardest things to do, and most of us will complicate it. But let me tell you how you make progress. You make progress by making one simple extra decision than what you made yesterday. You make progress by doing something every single day that moves you in the direction of whatever you want to accomplish in life. So let's say you want to become physically fit. How about you start with one press up? You don't need 100, just one. Then the following day, 2, then 3. That's how you make progress, through needle point moves. Needle point moves. Needle point moves. I like to call it the 0.0001%. That's how you make progress. Some of us think we need to do all these crazy things so much. No, do it in baby steps. And when you do it like that, it's going to stick. It's going to become a habit. So that's how you make progress. Sometimes we complicate it. Don't complicate it. Do small things, and that's how you make progress. That's when, after a long time, that's when momentum builds. That was day number 58, and as always, I'll catch you tomorrow on day number 59. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe, and get through lessons I learned from my dad. That will change your life. Tomorrow, I've got a big one for you guys. You can't wait to see that. I love you.